Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I just am here to tell you, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving from me, from my family, and from the Stamps of Life team. We are so thankful for each and every one of you. We're thankful for our club members. We're thankful for our customers. We're thankful for our viewers. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to tell you how blessed I feel that you are in our lives. We are just so thankful, each and every one of us at the Stamps of Life. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your friends and family. And let's just take a moment on Thanksgiving Day just to really realize how blessed we all are. You know, the sun's always shining and we get out of bed every morning and we have roofs over our heads and we get to partake in this amazing thing called card making. The community that we have at the Stamps of Life is just absolutely amazing. I know it's a blessing for a lot of us. So make sure, if you're not, go check out the Stamps of Life official Facebook page. It's really fun. But from all of us, again, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. We're so thankful for you, and we hope you have a blessed day with your friends and family on Thanksgiving. Take care. Bye-bye.